Till a couple of years back, the small business owners were struggling. They need to have big budgets to run marketing. With AI, all this is getting solved. Now they can compete with bigger brands, even with a smaller budget. We use a term called human in the loop. Whatever we generate with the help of AI, there's always human validating. We build personas. Each email could be differently answered. That kind of personalization is possible based on how you train your AI.
Today, we're diving into AI-powered marketing and how smarter automation drives efficiency, clarity, and predictable growth.
With us to do less guesswork and more consistency. That's what any small business wants, predictability.
Hi everyone, this is Maheen and welcome to the CanadianSME Small Business Podcast, where we explore the strategies that are helping small businesses achieve high performance without really the enterprise level cost. Today, we're diving into AI-powered marketing and how smarter automation drives efficiency, clarity, and predictable growth. In a competitive market, turning marketing into a true growth engine is quite essential. And our guest is Prajit Dasani, the founder of Atrybe Inc., bringing 23 years of brand building experience and serving as a fractional CMO for fast-growing companies. Atrybe blends automation, data intelligence, and practical strategy to simplify the entire marketing journey, and we cannot wait to break it down for you. Let's begin and welcome our guest, Prajit. Prajit, we're very pleased to have you on the show today. Welcome to the podcast. How are you?
I'm very good. Thank you for inviting me here. It's my pleasure to join you.
Absolutely. Very pleased to have you with us. But Prajit, your first topic, it addresses a very major pain point, right? Budgets that feel like an accordion. You believe that AI can automate the grunt work, saving money. But tell us, how does AI cut marketing waste and automate tasks like ad optimization, content creation, follow-ups to really help owners focus on results?
Yeah, absolutely. So, till a couple of years back, the small business owners were struggling with either they had to hire an agency or a freelancer, or they need to have big budgets to run marketing. With AI, all this is getting solved, and now they can compete with bigger brands, even with a smaller budget. AI is helping them create content, automate certain campaigns, run creatives which can be released much faster, and also customize the campaign to each audience segment type. Now, that kind of customization was not possible. Only bigger brands were able to do that. With the help of AI, a lot of things could be done in the entire funnel of marketing, right from the awareness stage to the consideration and capture stage, and then how the lead comes in to the funnel, and after that, what happens to the lead. First touch, second touch, referral programs, all that can be done with the help of AI.
Well, that's a very clear focus on efficiency, Prajit, and it highlights that AI is quite the most practical tool for controlling the cost without really sacrificing on the results. Now let's explore a core strategy for small businesses to win, which is scaling personalization. Prajit, small businesses, they win when they feel human, and you explore how AI can personalize communication without really requiring that late night manual typing. Tell us, small businesses, they win when they feel human. How can they use AI to build that personalization at scale and ensure that their communication feels handcrafted, not really feel like a templated bot?
This is a very good question, and this is the burning topic in all the discussions. So we use a term called human in the loop, and whatever we generate with the help of AI, there's always human validating it. Also depends on the prompt and the input that we are giving. If the prompt is very specific and it's customized, the output will be customized as well. So we build personas in terms of various types of people, and it can be as customized as the email coming in. Each email could be differently answered. Each activity on the website can be differently handled. So if we have, I'll just give an example. So if you have seen the checkout page, the message to you will be different. If you are shopping and just have seen a cart, just a t-shirt, for example, the message for you could be different to somebody who's has just seen a cap. So that kind of personalization is possible based on how you train your AI.
Now, that is such a crucial insight, really, and it proves that AI it should be used for amplifying humanity, not really replacing it, especially in customer communication. Now, Prajit, let's discuss how the rise of AI is strategically leveling the playing field in for local businesses. You believe that AI is giving local brands big brand firepower and is fundamentally changing local marketing. Tell us, how does AI strategically level the playing field for small and local businesses, giving them the big brand firepower through AI-powered search, local ranking, and automated campaigns?
Yeah, absolutely. So for local branding and local SEO, as we call it, Google Business Profile is very important, and how you are seen in a particular geography, that's very important. Now, AI can help you master that with the help of certain frequently asked questions and content that you create, which makes your brand visible in answer engine. That's called answer engine optimization, where your brand becomes visible in AI overviews, the answers AI gives. Also, it makes a small, makes it much more possible for a small business owner to answer to reviews, for example. A business owner is involved in so many things, right, from operations to HR to finance and marketing as well. AI has been able to answer the first touch. Say if somebody calls you, AI answers the first touch and then qualifies the lead for further human discussion. AI can also, as I said, reviews. Each review get answered immediately. That increases the visibility and trust and authority of the brand in the local market.
That's such an inspiring view, Prajit, and it highlights that AI is a great equalizer, making enterprise capabilities accessible to the smallest businesses. Listeners, if you're looking for strategies to achieve predictable growth, then please learn from Prajit Dasani, the founder of Atrybe Inc., about how AI cuts marketing waste, the secrets of personalization at scale, and the clear roadmap for turning marketing from a cost center into a growth engine. Now let's continue our conversation with Prajit. We'll take a quick short break here. Please don't go anywhere, because when we're back, we'll connect AI strategy to what really drives results, turning attention into conversions.
Hey, you think you know UPS? Yeah, that's us. Everybody knows that. You know what you didn't know? This. Okay, try to keep up. Ocean, us. Ground, rail, air, so us. Guess who? Us. Customs cleared, borders cleared, done. Us. You still with me? Wait for it. Boom. Us. Intelligent, automated, fulfillment. Us. Yep. Healthcare too. Digital your thing? Yeah. Well, book it, ship it, track it. You feeling me yet? Yep. That's all us. That's all UPS.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's jump straight into why the full funnel matters and how smarter journeys turn clicks into predictable growth. And that you emphasize that growth doesn't come from chasing clicks alone, but from guiding customers through a complete journey. Tell us, what is a funnel-based marketing approach and why is driving the full funnel so important?
Yeah. Thank you for asking that, because that's where a lot of small businesses falter. When we have somebody come to us, they say we just need leads, we just need conversions. But what they need to understand And that's where we guide them, is driving the full funnel from awareness to consideration to conversions and post-purchase referral programs. All of that is very important. Now, with the help of AI, there are applications in each stage, right from where the initial awareness ads are created to where the trust factor is established when people are doing comparisons and reviews. And then while the conversion is happening, when the lead form has been filled, how your sales team touches the customer first time, second time, third time, how the quotations are given, all that with the help of AI can be streamlined. And then running a referral program or a post-purchase tips and tricks to maintain your product that you have taken or service that you have taken, all that can be done with the help of AI. So the full funnel is possible even with a small budget now.
Wow, well, that's a strong insight, Prajit. Then it shows how aligning every stage of the funnel turns attention into trust and action into sustainable growth. Finally, let's discuss our Atribe's mission and the system of predictable growth. Prajit, Atribe's philosophy is simple, right? We identify inefficiencies, implement automation, and create space for what matters. What is beyond the Atribe's mission, and how does combining real-world marketing expertise with cutting-edge AI tools help businesses turn marketing from a cost center to a growth engine?
That's right. So we help brands build trust and authority in their space. And we have been helping brands. So I have been playing role of fractional CMO with certain brands. So we bring in the discipline that is required, and then consistency brings in the results. So we say that, with us, with Atribe, you need to do less guesswork and more consistency and more predictability. That's what any small business wants. They want more predictability and consistency with the limited marketing dollars that they have. So they want to be sure of where their budget is going.
Mm-hmm. That's an inspiring vision, really, and it confirms that Atribe is focused on efficiency. Focused on efficiency and clarity, empowering small businesses to grow intelligibly and sustainably. As we wrap up now, Prajit, if there's one key message that you want listeners to remember about confidently investing in their marketing, what would it be?
Mm-hmm. Well, I would say that AI won't do everything for you, but AI will be your partner in making things faster and more efficient. So that's how everybody needs to look at AI. And it's a great tool to have to drive marketing for small businesses.
That is powerful and a very actionable message. Thank you so much, Prajit, for being on the show with us. And thank you for sharing such great expertise and your vision.
Thank you for calling me.
And that was a valuable conversation with Prajit Dasani on using AI to cut marketing costs, build personalization at scale, and shape the future of local marketing. Thank you so much for joining on the podcast. Please subscribe for more expert insights and visit CanadianSME.ca for tools and resources to support your business. A special shout out to our partners, UPS, A1 Global College, ADP, and Google for supporting small businesses across Canada. Till then, please keep moving forward and we'll see you in the next episode.